Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy blog. My name is Ray, and in this video, I'll be talking about the Sony 1000X, the Collection headphones. These are a 10th anniversary edition of the 1000X over-the-ear headphones, and they offer you a little upgrade, both in design and in functionality. These headphones are high performers with studio-graded sound, multiple listening modes, and design details that are just a little step above. They come in a hardshell case with a soft textile finish and a little handle, and they come with a charging cord, a warranty card, and a reference card featuring a QR code that takes you to the Sony Sound Connect app. These are just a little nicer than the regular Sony 1000X headphones, and they're finished in a beautiful vegan leather atop sort of like a dense memory foam that's really comfortable to wear. On the Collection's left headphone, you'll find all of your button controls, while on the right, you'll find your gesture controls. Swipe up or down to control the volume of the Collection's deep, rich audio, and double tap to pause or play. You can even shake or nod your head to decline or accept a phone call. These headphones come with a Google Gemini-powered assistant. Hey headphones, play my next track. Triggered by key phrases like play my next track or turn on my music. Hey headphones, turn on my Spotify. Two of the other things that I really love about these headphones are adaptive sound control and noise cancelling. These have really great noise cancellation properties. There's a bunch of different microphones on the headphone body, and they will cancel out all sorts of background noise. They're great for studying. They're amazing for taking work calls. Everything sounds so much clearer and more crisp when I have it on my headphones as opposed to genuinely any other speaker or headphone I've ever owned. The noise cancellation on these is so good that I can comfortably listen to an audiobook quietly while I vacuum. Adaptive sound control gives you even more control and customization over these headphones, with presets for areas like the gym or even motions like walking or running. Sony's over-the-ear The Collection headphones are available at bestbuy.ca. For more information on them, make sure you check out my full feature on the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.